In this video I will show how to install ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco in Ubuntu 24.04 specifically in WSL mode, which I already uploaded the video for how to set up Ubuntu desktop in WSL. If you want to see that video, so go to the description of this video or click on card which is showing on top right. Here I will show you how many versions of Ubuntu I have downloaded for working with different ROS2 distributions. Here you will see two Ubuntu versions. For Jazzy Jalisco you have to download Ubuntu 24.04 version in WSL. If in case you want to work with ROS2 Humble, you can do easily in WSL without deleting ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. Because in WSL you can use both Ubuntu versions 22.04 and 24.04 at the same time. Open Ubuntu 24.04 in Run as administrator. Open ROS2 distributions documentation and follow the command steps to download ROS2 in Ubuntu 24.04. Look carefully to each steps, so that you not face any errors while installing ROS2. Now you are ready to use ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco in Ubuntu 24.04. If you like this video then subscribe to this channel and share to your colleague. Thanks for watching.